it can be inferred that as a youth, the first president of the United States was A. adventurous, B. cowardly, C. shy, or D. crazy. In order to answer this question, let's locate its keywords, the first president of the United States, in our text. We see the president mentioned when it tells us how the first president of the United States, in the athletic vigor of his youth, climbed and carved his name high on its cliff. Based on this alone, we can already eliminate cowardly and shy, as most people with these attributes wouldn't be climbing cliffs and carving their names in them. We are left with adventurous and crazy. Although some people might describe this action as crazy, that's more in a slangy sense, and the actual definition of insane doesn't fit here, so this can be eliminated. We are left with A, adventurous, which perfectly reflects the president's actions and can be marked as our final answer.